What's up, y'all? Welcome to our new humble abode. Come on in. Welcome to our new apartment. Sorry for the echo. Obviously the apartment is very empty, okay? But I want to give you guys a little bit of a tour before the apartment is filled, before it has my 4-month-old, 5-month-old running around the house and my dog and my fiance. If you've been following me before, I just moved from a 1-bedroom to a now 2-bedroom and a loft. Here we have our kitchen. It's a little different than my last kitchen. I don't know size-wise if it compares. I haven't gotten a chance to go through everything. All the appliances obviously come with the apartment. And if you guys watched my last video, you'll know that I mentioned that we're gonna be organizing each room for our movers when they get here so they know where to drop everything off. So as we go through the apartment, you're gonna see stickers that kind of label what each room is so that everything can stay organized on move-in day. We have ample amount of cabinet space, which I really like. Hoping it'll be a 1-to-1 from our new place, but the thing I'm most excited about in this apartment is a little pull-out trash can. Because we had to kind of hack a situation before, but now we have 2 cans that just pull out. One will be recycling, one will be trash. This is a perfect way to keep that organized. Dishwasher, microwave. The microwave is actually kind of cool. So these are Samsung appliances. So we'll see how long they last. But I like that it has 2 levels. So we have a rack up here and then a turning plate on the bottom. So we'll be able to warm multiple things at once. Right now our fridge is pretty empty. There's just a bottle of champagne. This is our freezer down here and, you know, sink, regular stuff. Now, we used to have a fancy thermostat in our last apartment. This one is not as fancy. But we're gonna figure out how to work it out. All right, let me take you guys to the living room. So this is our living room. It is quite a bit smaller than my last one. Now we lose space and make up space in certain areas of the apartment, so we're sacrificing a bit of space here. So everything is not gonna look the same when we move in. We're gonna probably move things around. The couch will probably be on this side, the TV will be on this side, and the bar might be over here. We just have to figure it out. We also don't have a place to sit, to eat. So we're gonna have to figure that out as well. But I really love the tall ceilings. We have 2-floor ceilings, and you'll see why in a sec. Okay, let's take you into this bedroom. This is our, how you say, master bedroom. This is our master bedroom. So like I said, we lose space in the living room, but we make up a ton of space in our bedrooms. This will be our new bedroom. I have a lot of plans for this space. I can't wait to show you guys. I kind of want to do like a slat wall headboard situation over here, half slat wall. Don't necessarily know what we're gonna do over here. It still has carpet. Not a big fan, but I've lived with it for 8 years before, so we'll make it work. So stay tuned for the plans for the bedroom. Don't know how everything is gonna come together, but we will figure it out as we go. Over here, we have our walk-in closet. Now, if you guys saw my last closet, this is a huge upgrade for my last place. Granted, I am sharing it with Mr. Cameraman, fiance, back there. But I think we'll be able to make do. This is the closet space. It's pretty big. It's almost 8 feet by almost 5 feet. Ample space in here. We may or may not try and do an IKEA pack system in here. We'll just see how the dimensions work and if it's something we really want to splurge on, but that might also be a project that we will be getting into. Stay tuned. So we're still in our master bedroom. We have a linen closet over here, which is great. Finally have a place to put my towels. And in the bathroom, so this is our bathroom. Again, we have 2 sinks. This will be Mr. Man's sink, nice and close to the toilet. And we have a glass shower over here. But as you'll see, this is labeled as our master bathroom. So, huge mirror, really bright. I'll probably be changing out the fixtures because y'all know me. All right, let's go to my son's room. So we are back in the center of the home. We're going across the hallway over to my son's bedroom, which will be bedroom number 2. This is my son's bedroom. He's a lucky boy. I don't even think I had this much space when I was born. He's got a fairly large bedroom. So the next video that'll probably be planned after this, we're painting his room. We're painting his room. I ordered some paint that will be here. We're doing a lime wash effect. I will tell you more about that when the time comes, but I have huge plans for the nursery. So, huge plans. He's now out of his bassinet, so he's gonna have a full-size crib over here, and I'm still thinking of everything that I want his space to look like, but this space has a lot of potential. He also, lucky boy, has a huge closet as well. A nice, huge walk-in closet. He does not need all his space. Him and his daddy shall share. So not only does he have his own walk-in closet, he also has his own bathroom that he will share with guests, but he has access to his bathroom. So this is his bathroom. This is perfect for him. He's got one little sink. This is also good for guests. Obviously, you'll see that it leads right back out to the kitchen in a second. He has a bathtub, which is necessary to give him baths. So this is a perfect little space for him. And it's pretty big, like decently sized for a 5-month-old. Okay, so if you come out this way, you're gonna lead us back into the kitchen area. We just came from my son's bathroom. Now we're back in the living room main area. And here we have our coat closet. So this is where all the coats will go. Now I want to show you what sold us on this apartment. Come on. We have 2 floors. So this will be our loft and my new filming space. I'm so excited. This is our loft. It's obviously not a full room, but it's a very decent sized room for what we need. I'm calling this our family area because I have so many plans for this area. We're gonna do a desk setup maybe over here, a little couch setup over here. My fiance will have his space somewhere in here, and then I also need space for my crafting stuff. So this room is gonna play a lot of roles, but we're gonna make it work. This room I'm also really excited to show you guys, so whenever that comes, stick tuned because this room is gonna be a big transformation. So I also have this room labeled storage because this will probably be, if you're a YouTuber or know anything, we have a lot of equipment, so equipment is probably gonna be in there. On this side, we have in-house washer and dryer. Which is huge, and I actually have space to kind of put things, which I didn't have in my last apartment. So excited for that. Finally, I have this lovely, huge storage space that I used to have a storage unit in my last place. This place pretty much covers what my storage unit was before. So yeah, this room is pretty big. It's 9 feet in here. 9 feet by almost 4 feet in this room. So we'll probably put racks on these shelves, store all the Christmas decorations, all the house stuff. This room will also probably be a nice little transformation. All right guys, so that is the tour of our new place. I hope you guys liked it. I hope if you have any suggestions on what content you're eager to see next, whether it's my son's room, our room, the loft area, or anything, leave it down below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace.